Describe a time when you were outside and rain started. Why had you gone outside? What did you do when the rain started? Do you like rain? I remember a situation in my life when I was roaming around the city and suddenly it started raining. That was a tricky situation as I had no umbrella with me that day. I had gone out to buy a couple of novels. I went to Sector 17 Market. It is one of the renowned markets in our city. There is a huge open area in the center of the sector, and rest of the surrounding area is filled with branded shops, local shops, restaurants, and cafes. This incident happened in the month of December. Generally, there is no rain in this month, and December is considered as the driest month of the year. Most of the rain falls in the month of July and August. I went there on a bike and went on to shop to buy the books. As I was looking for books, I heard a loud thunderclap. I thought that it must be something else. But when I came out of the shop, I observed that a huge dark grey cloud cover was coming from the western side. I decided to rush from there and reach home as soon as possible. My home was about a 15 minutes ride from there. So I hurried and started my journey towards home. Shortly after that, light raindrops started to pour down. I didn't stop as it was not much of a threat. I continued my journey, but it was short lived. A heavy gust of wind hit me, and it started pouring heavily. I had to stop on the side of the road and parked my bike on the pavement. Then I quickly looked for a shelter and found myself under a bus stop roof. You won't believe that I had to wait there for 2 hours as the rain wouldn't stop. After 2 hours, I came back home, but thankfully I didn't get wet. Getting wet in a month like December would have been dangerous, as the temperatures in the day are well below 10 degrees.